guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to another day in my life vlog. Arie and I kind of have a fun day planned. He's actually leaving for another freaking business trip tomorrow, so I just wanted to do like something fun today. So I had the great idea of having like a little barbecue because we've lived in our apartment for a year, but we've never actually used like the grills that we have downstairs in our apartment. So I just thought today was the perfect day for that. It's actually so nice out right now. It's like 80 degrees out, so it's freaking hot. But yeah, it's just kind of like the perfect day for a barbecue. There's so much construction going on by my building right now. It's crazy. It's always so loud. We're actually about to head out right now. We're gonna run to Target because we literally have nothing for this barbecue. So we're gonna go buy some food and some drinks. But I wanna show you guys my outfit really quick. It's actually really cute. I got some new shoes recently, so I wanna show you those as well. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. So I have on, this whole fit is literally Fashion Nova, what's new. So yeah, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova. Actually, okay, I don't know where the belt's from. But yeah, so these are my new shoes. There's some Nike shoes that are super freaking cute. I'm obsessed with them. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture wearing them and they're just so cute. I love them. Also guys, I really want to do like a hairstyle video soon because I've actually been trying out like so many different hairstyles, just trying to find ones that look good on me and also that are just like really easy because I'm really bad at hair. That is not like my forte. I'm super bad at hair. I've actually found some really cute ones that are just like super easy and perfect for someone who's like in a hurry and also just like not that good at hair like me. But yeah, we're gonna go to Target now. So gotta unplug my phone. Also guys, look at this purse that I got. Oh my gosh, I've been buying a few new things. So I got this from Forever 21 the other day and I'm so obsessed with it. You don't even know. I've been wearing it like every single day. It's just like the perfect height. Like look at it, just falls perfectly at my hip and it also has like the chain strap, which is, you know, if you guys don't know, that's like my favorite thing on purses. So I freaking love it and I just like really love this outfit right now. I'm obsessed. Oh, Meanie. Oh yeah, before I leave for Target, I wanted to show you guys these brownies that I made yesterday. Look how good they look. And yeah, they were amazing. Look how many are missing from this pan. I literally made them yesterday. Arie and I have devoured way too many of these. But yeah, they're like healthy brownies and I absolutely love them. They turned out really good. So I really want to share the recipe with you guys because they're so easy to make and they are so delicious. So yeah, just wanted to tell you guys about that. But I'm gonna go to Target now. My apartment just added these to the wall. They're so cool. We're looking for some cool glasses to put like our drinks in because we literally have no cool glasses. Guys, we managed to make it here and nobody's here. We're so happy. We thought like a bunch of people were gonna be here, so we're hyped. Got all the goods. It's so windy out though. It's really windy out today guys and we're struggling to get the grill started because we've never used it before. So wish us luck. Guys, we got it to work. Woo!
Yay.
My drink, it's just lemonade, Sprite, some wine and some raspberries and it's so good. And also some ice. It's like perfect for this really hot day. And yeah, we're having a good time. Yum! We also have some chips too. Of course, the Sun Chips Garden Salsa. These are the best. And then Arie really likes these, but I also do too. They're the Dutch Crunch Jalapeno and Cheddar ones. They're so good. That's so good, guys. We just got done eating and it's so freaking windy out. It was calm for like a second, but now it's back to being windy. and we're gonna make one more brat each because they were so good. Hey guys, so we're back in our apartment now. I'm literally so full. We ate so much, but it was like so good. But we're just gonna chill out and watch a few episodes of The Office because we literally love that show so much. We always watch like a few episodes before we go to bed each night. And we're both like dying of a food coma, so we just kind of want to relax. But yeah, we had a really like cute summer day. I really liked it a lot, and hopefully we'll be able to do that again before the end of the summer. We literally just did this. It's freaking August, and that was like our first barbecue of the summer. Kind of sad. So hopefully we can make time to have another one before the summer ends. Arie's leaving again tomorrow for another week. I'm so sad. Like, this is our last time to hang out, but we've honestly had the best week ever. Like, we woke up at 7 a.m. every single day this week except today. This is the only day that we actually slept in a little bit. We were just like killing it. Like, we woke up at 7 a.m. we went to the gym, and we just had like a super productive day. So I'm really proud of us. We actually killed it. Hey guys, I haven't updated you in a little bit, but Arie and I watched like a few episodes of The Office, and by a few episodes I mean a ton of episodes. But I'm currently on the elevator right now, and I'm going to grab a package that I got from Target. I ordered them a few days ago before I realized that I was going to Target today, so yeah. Okay, so I got my package and I threw on a sweatshirt because I'm cold. But anyway, I want to show you guys what I got. So I just got two things. The first thing that I got is this 3-Minute Miracle Moist. I just like restocked because I was totally out of it, and it's my favorite hair care product because yeah, it makes my hair super freaking soft. So of course I need to buy some more. And then I also got this native deodorant. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this, but it's pretty highly rated. So I don't know, I just wanted to try it out because I've been really annoyed with my current deodorant. I just feel like it doesn't do anything, and like I work out a lot, so I'm always like sweating and it's really gross, and like I don't want to smell obviously. So I just want to try this out. This is the coconut vanilla flavor, and this deodorant is paraben free, aluminum free. So I don't know, let's hope that it works, I guess. Definitely let you guys know if I like it or not. Hopefully I do. Anyway, that's what I got from Target. It's not very exciting, but I just thought I would show you guys. But I did want to ask you guys if you've seen the trailer for the new season 3 of 13 Reasons Why. I'm so excited for it. It comes out like August 23rd, so I'm like super excited to see it. Let me know in the comments if you guys watch that show because I'm super into it, and yeah, it's just like a crazy show and I really like it. Oh my gosh, you guys, also I forgot to mention to you that I think I'm gonna be getting my wisdom teeth out on September 5th. I am so not ready for this. I'm just doing it at my dentist where they put like laughing gas and probably like Novocaine just to like numb up your mouth, but I'm really scared, honestly, just because my friend was telling me about it and she said it was like, I don't know, she said you could feel like them moving your teeth and just like pressure and stuff, and that like really freaks me out. I wish I could go under, but it's like so expensive, so I can't really do that. Yeah, I'm kind of freaking out. I just want to get it over with though, because it's just like in the back of my mind that I have to get it done, and like sometimes my like wisdom teeth will like start hurting, and that like concerns me, so I kind of just want to get it done. So anyway, I do think I'm going to end the vlog here just because I'm not really going to be doing anything that interesting the rest of the night. It's Arie's last night, so we're probably just going to hang out and chill. So not very exciting for you guys, I'm sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, we had a really nice barbecue today. I had a really great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed like tagging along with us. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.